Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 76th day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. So today I have a question for you. The question is, what is the main problem, what is the fundamental problem we face before starting this journey of spoken English? Like if I talk about me, what was the that fundamental problem for me and how I overcome it? What are the ways I followed to overcome it? Okay, so before, as I told you that when I started my this journey, I started doing lots of practices, written diaries and watching videos, listening podcasts, and listening audiobooks also. So all the practice I started. So even, I mean, these practices was not enough for me at that time. And as I told you, you know what, one thing, when we are doing practices with ourselves, these practices are not enough, and the main thing is that we feel comfortable when we are doing these practices with ourselves. Okay, I told you that I started a mirror practice I started speaking in front of mirror with me. So it was easy for me because I started talking to me and it is easy. But if I think to speak with strangers, it was very difficult for me. So what I did for starting these things, you know what is the thoughts came in my mind when I started talking to strangers. The main and common thought came in my mind at that time. Like if I start talking with that particular stranger, he started judging me. Like what are the way I used for speaking. They can judge me on my grammar, and lots of negative thoughts I started came in my mind. So I mean, like before starting speaking, these thoughts are running in my mind, and my mind got stuck at that time. I could not able to speak, and then I always skipped it. So like what I did, I mean, when I downloaded that application for after taking that resolution. So you know what I found, like lots of people wanted to improve this skill. And of course we all don't have that much skill to, I mean, we all here to learn. So how can we judge a person like you are much better than me? And how can we, because we all are learner. And you know what, lots of person, lots of strangers, lots of co-learners I found. They all are like, all the co-learners, helping to each other. This is the very, I mean, what I experienced on that application. Like, you know what, if you the what I wanted to say that if you want to start, then don't feel fear. Because when you start, and when you find the pupil same like you, because they are doing efforts to learn this language, and when you find persons like you feel comfortable. And they don't judge you, they help you a lot. I found lots of people, teacher, English teacher, and student, professionals, lots of person. Some co-learners, even some co-learners gave me lots of support and appreciation, that your grammar is good, you are, I mean, that confidence you have. And the main thing what I got from that application, when I started practicing of that application, you know what, I found lots of co-learners. You know what, the confidence they had. I mean, of course, it is a language, and the grammar and all, it is a secondary part. If you have to be start, I mean, when you start watching videos, when you are started working on your mistakes, then you can automatically learn this grammar and all. First you have to be remove this fear of judging, the fear of all the negative thoughts in you. If you able to remove your all the thoughts, then it will be easy for you. I mean, this is the main cause. I mean, if you don't know the grammar, it is not the obstacle for you. I'm telling you, the main obstacle is that fear of the fear in you. If you if you feel confident, I found lots of people who don't know much grammar, but the confidence they had, and I mean commendable. And you know what, they are doing mistakes, they know their mistakes, but they know what the mistakes they are doing. And I always tell you in my videos that if you know your mistakes, then you can work on them. So you have to be remove that fear of judging. If you are able to, if you are able to overcome this fear, then you are able to learn not this language, you can do anything. I mean, I can feel this thing, so that's why I'm saying. So this is the thing from my side, and thank you so much. If you really think that I can help you, and my efforts my efforts will help you, then please support me, bear with me, and stay tuned with me. Thank you for support me, thank you for the appreciation. I didn't think that I can get so much appreciation, and but I'm getting, and I'm very thankful. And the main thing is that, I mean, the appreciation you get from another person, first you have to give that appreciation to yourself, then you can do. And mistakes are the part of your practices. Okay, so thank you so much. Jai Hind.